Section 3, Deep Q Learning with Keras. In this section, we'll go through a Keras overview and coding walkthroughs of Keras with Python, Deep Q Learning with Keras in Python, and Deep Q Learning with Keras in R. In this video, we will discuss Keras and its components, models, and layers. Keras is a high-level neural network API, and it can program on top of TensorFlow backends. If you recall, TensorFlow is relatively complex to use, so that's when Keras comes in to help us out. It sits on top of TensorFlow and can make a fully functional neural network with just a few lines of code. Keras and TensorFlow have also integrated, which makes programming Keras natively even easier. The components for Keras are called models and layers. Layers are the most basic level of the structure. They are composed of perceptrons which connect to the preceding and following layers. You make a model by adding layers. There are two varieties of models, sequential and complex. Sequential models require a stack of layers with a linear progression. And ultimately, to compile and fit, you must specify the loss and optimizer. The loss function explains what we want to minimize. For simple models such as linear regression, it is easier to converge on the true minimum. But for more complex models, it's better to start with a random set of parameters and work towards optimizing your cost function. In this video, we went through Keras and its components, models, and layers.